Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra and I warmly welcome you to TNB Academy, your trusted platform for professional training, career enhancement and comprehensive ISO knowledge. Whether you are a working professional, a fresh graduate, or someone planning to upgrade your profile in quality, safety environment, or information security, this channel is designed just for you. In this video, we are going to talk about one of the most prestigious and career-transforming certifications in the professional world, the Lead Auditor Training Program. This certification is globally recognized and plays a key role for professionals aiming to work in auditing, compliance, consulting, or ISO implementation across any sector. Who is a lead auditor? A lead auditor is a professionally trained individual who is qualified to plan an audit from scratch, conduct it thoroughly and impartially, manage the audit process for an organization, lead a team of auditors across different functions or industries, and finally report and follow up on audit findings. Lead auditors are considered experts in verifying compliance with international standards like ISO 9001 Quality Management, ISO 14001 Environmental Management, ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety, ISO 22000 Food Safety Management, ISO 27001 Information Security Management, and many others. What does the Lead Auditor Training Programs include? The Lead Auditor Training Program is an extensive 5-day course that combines theoretical concepts with real-world applications. It typically includes understanding the ISO standard, learn about the clauses, structure, and requirements of the specific ISO standard you are getting certified in. Audit planning. How to prepare audit plans, audit checklists, and schedule audit activities effectively. Conducting an audit. Practical insights on conducting opening meetings, interviews, documentation reviews, and site observations. Identifying non-conformities. Learn to spot gaps and issues in compliance and how to document them properly. Leading audit teams. Understand team dynamics, conflict resolution, task delegation, and leadership skills specific to audit management. Interactive training methods to make learning effective. Most programs use case studies based on real-life audit scenarios. Role plays to simulate client-auditor interactions. Audit simulations to practice your skills. A final written examination to assess your knowledge. Once you pass the exam, you receive an internationally recognized lead auditor certificate qualifying you to audit on behalf of certification bodies or organizations. Accreditation bodies. The training is accredited by globally respected certification authorities such as IRCA, that is International Register of Certificated Auditors, CQI, that is Chartered Quality Institute UK, Exemplar Global, formerly RABQSA. These certifications are trusted across industries in more than 100 countries. Career opportunities. After certification, once you are certified, your career options grow significantly. You can conduct internal and external audits, work with third-party certification bodies, join consulting firms as an audit expert, or even start your own ISO consultancy training business. Whether you belong to manufacturing, healthcare, IT, food, industry, automotive, or even government sector, the value of being certified lead auditor is immense and respected worldwide. Why you should enroll? Now, if you are looking to grow your profile, seeking a promotion, aiming to switch your career to auditing or compliance, or dreaming of becoming a recognized ISO expert, now is the right time to enroll in a certified Lead Auditor Training Program. A small investment in this 5-day training can lead to big returns in terms of salary, skills, and global opportunities. Need help or guidance? If you are confused about which ISO standard to choose, which course provider is right for you, how to prepare for the final exam, or if you want a complete video series on lead auditor training, just let me know in the comment section below. Get in touch with us at TNV Academy. We offer personal guidance, ISO course recommendations, and even custom training sessions for individuals and organizations. For any queries, course enrollment, or career guidance, feel free to reach out to us on phone or WhatsApp, that is 6387828594. Website www.tnvacademy.com, and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn at TNV Academy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TNV Academy for more valuable and practical videos on ISO certifications, lead auditor training, soft skills and professional growth, audit checklist and ISO toolkits, and much more. Thank you so much for watching. This is Akanksha Mishra signing off. See you in the next video on TNV Academy.